Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase SellKit Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page here. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update with original license key. Okay, so if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically we don't sell cracked and null item in the name of original. We sell 100% genuine item so that you will receive yearly or lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about SellKit. So let me type SellKit, and here you can see SellKit Pro activation with original license key. Pricing is 25 USD. And if you want to switch that currency, so just click on this USD icon and click here INR. So currency will be switched. Okay, so uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually. We install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, your name, last name, and your WhatsApp number with country code. Okay, that's a very important, and email address too. It's also very important. Okay, now if you're from India, you can select cash free and phone pay, and if you're outside of India, you can select just PayPal and confirm your payment by a click I have read and agree to the terms and condition. Now confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on this download button and a file will download on your laptop or computer. So just open this file and you will see our premium contact support. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.